Hi guys, I'm Rishabh Chatterjee and today we'll be discussing about the mileage of the Elite i20 2018. So yes, let's start driving and I'll talk about that.
Also download the app.
Alright, so let's get on moving. Please do like my Facebook page and also follow me on Instagram. This is the 1.2 liter petrol, and yes, that was a question that was asked by many because in the earlier mileage videos that I have made, I forgot to mention what is it. I thought you will know it, but many new people watched that video first time and they didn't know which engine is it. So anyways, now mileage is something that if you are looking for i20, I'll say it should not be a priority. Now in 2018 version, it has definitely improved. They have done some tweaks to the engine and it's very minor, but the mileage has increased. Fact, it has increased. Now earlier people used to get around 9-10. all right, that was like common. I have heard everyone saying 9-10. Now if you see, this car is giving me normal heavy traffic conditions also. If I drive with light foot, it gives me around 12. all right, and if you drive very light foot and you don't have much traffic, then it can give you up to 14. I've seen once it gave me in city as well, like it was empty roads only, I'll say, not much traffic. I was driving very light foot. Now you have to be like really good driver to get like that. Even it was tough for me to get that kind of mileage, but somehow I got it that day. So yes, in city I've got up to 14, 13.9 something like that. 14 also I got once. Now last time you told me that the MID does not show right information. So what I did was I did the tank to tank method also, and that's where I got 12. Now one thing that I checked was that it's giving me way. The tank, like if I do tank to tank and if I check like MID, what does it actually like? Is there a lot of difference or what? So what I saw was that when I did tank to tank, I got 12. Okay, and when I saw the MID for the same distance, it showed me 10.8. that means that the MID is showing lesser than what we are actually getting. This has been consistent. I've seen 2-3 times MID is always showing less. So many people saw the MID, look, that is not real, that is not real. So yes, if you can keep the circumstance constant, then you can get what MID is showing, and I've got more than what MID is showing normally in city. So that's the mileage that you get in i20, 12 to 14 if driven with light foot, even in traffic. If you are driving, like suppose now I am in second gear and below 2000 RPM you have to change. If you see after 2000 you get the actual pull, but if you drive like this, it's 10. You'll get 10, 10.3, 10.4. I've seen this. You put your foot on the accelerator, gone. Efficiency will go like pretty fast down. And in highway, I got around 18. I've seen like only on the highway. After that, when I joined the city, it reduced to 16, like overall I'm saying. So you can get 18. I've seen people who have told me they got 19, 20 also. Only on highway this is, don't combine city and highway. Only highway they have got this. So yes, as you see, the previous one didn't give so much. Max it could give was 15 on highway. This one gives more. So mileage has improved definitely. Now also if you see, I was driving like, now you saw how I went rash, like little bit higher pickup. Now I am getting 9.8. Before I did that, I was almost getting somewhere around 11. Then you see average 10.7. This is almost constant, always shows around 10 only, but actual mileage is always more. Then again, accumulated info, if you see 120 kilometers last when I did tank full, it's showing me 10.7. but I'm sure I'm getting more than that. Last time also it was showing me 10.8, but as I told you, the actual mileage was 12. So that's what is my experience of mileage. Let me know if you are a i20 owner, diesel or petrol, any one of them. Share in the comment section below what is the mileage you are getting. And yes, if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video and subscribe to the channel. This is Rishabh Chatterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.